Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you acrylic in a teeny tiny nails. For today's video, I call a special person for this as I really wanted to groom her nails. So not taking much of your time, let's get started. So let me explain something about acrylic nails. It is a type of fake nails which we have to build on nail tips, or there are many other options in the market. So I did the same. I prepped my nails firstly and then applied nail tip and then acrylic. I dipped my brush in the monomer and then I dipped again it in acrylic powder and placed it on the nail tip and eventually drag it downwards in the nail. After it get fully dried, I done with all of my nails and then I apply black nail polish in all the fingers. With matte top coat, I applied it in the middle finger and in pinky. And in the ring finger, I sprinkled some glitters, black glitters. And applied top coat at last, not in the ring finger. So here is the final look, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So stay healthy, happy and beautiful too. See you in my next video.